Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit. For that, launch your Bybit mobile application, then log in into your account. Then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to select the deposit option. After that, among the given options, you need to tap on the deposit crypto section. Now you need to use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Now once you are able to find USDT, you just have to simply select it, and then you need to select the network that you want to use in order to get your USDT from Binance. So you can choose any of the networks of your choice. So let's say I have selected BEP20 network, so you just have to simply tap on it, and then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you just have to copy these details from here. Then you need to come back and you just have to launch your Binance mobile application. After that, tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select the support tab. Now select USDT and select the withdrawal option. Now tap on the send via crypto network option, and the address that you have copied from Bybit, you need to paste the address in the top. In the network, you need to select change the same network that you have selected in Bybit, which was in my case BEP20 network. After that, in the amount, you just have to enter the minimum amount that you want to transfer, and then tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to review your details and confirm it that everything is correct. Then your order will be processed, and once it is confirmed, you will receive your USDT from Binance to Bybit. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to the channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.